As we get older, expression lines and wrinkles appear on our face. Its onset is usually influenced by sun exposure, stress, and a poor diet. To combat them, some people try surgeries, others try expensive beauty products. In this video, we'll share a recipe that's quite successful on the internet, because its results are extremely good in reducing expression lines and wrinkles. The main ingredient of this mask is cornstarch. What few people know is that cornstarch has several other uses, such as relieving burns, eliminating fungus on the feet, and even moisturizing hair. Additionally, cornstarch has the ability to prevent premature aging of the skin and treat skin tissue that's already been damaged by age. Recipe, ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of grated carrots, 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt, 150 milliliters of water. Dilute the cornstarch in half a glass of water. Bring the remaining water to a boil. When it begins to boil, add the diluted cornstarch to the water. Stir the mixture well, and remove it from the heat to let it cool. Add the carrot to the natural yogurt and mix it in using a wooden spoon. For oily skin, we recommend using milk instead of yogurt. With the help of a brush, you can begin applying the mask, covering the whole face, with circular movements. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then remove it with water. Repeat the treatments 3 times a week. Also, you can find other skin remedies under this video.
Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.